What's going on, guys? This is Chris with Rollin' Smoke. Welcome back to today's episode. We are going to end up making some homemade burgers. We're going to take some lean beef, some 80% lean, 20% fat. We're going to stuff them with some jalapeños, smash them, and then throw them on our smoker for about an hour. Put our jalapeños up here. And if you like it a little extra spicy, leave the seeds in just to give it that kick. And then we can dice these up a little bit more. Okay. All right. So we got these all diced up. Now, next thing to do is take your ground beef. And if you're not going to use the whole thing, just take a little bit. Put it in this bowl. And it just depends how thick you want to make your burgers, of course, too, so. All right. Okay. Next, go ahead and throw in your jalapeños. And then go ahead and mix it all together here. All right. Once that's all mixed up, you can go ahead and make a burger here. Take your burger press. Take some beef. Put it in here, make sure it's all good. And go ahead and press it all down. All right, got your first patty there. Take this top, make the second one. Take some beef, same step. And you can always add, after this, your seasoning and your sauces and whatever else you want to put in here. It's going to be some nice thick burgers. That you got your burgers all made and everything, the next step to do before we put them on the smoker is give them a little bit of oil here, just so it cooks really well, and the seasoning sticks as well. Next thing we're going to do here is use the Suckle-busters 1836 beef rub. This is really good on burgers. And go ahead and just put the seasoning all over the burgers. If you want, flip them over and do the same thing. Make sure they're covered here. And just let it sit for 15 minutes before you put them on the smoker. In the meantime, you can go turn the smoker on to 225. All right, since now this got up the temperature of 225, go ahead and just place the burgers on. We'll close the lid and let it. Alright, so while we're waiting for the burgers to finish up, we're going to go ahead and cut up some tomatoes and onions, and we got some lettuce here. All right. Okay. Alright guys, while we're waiting for these to finish up here, let's go ahead and do some mail calls. So I received about 3 mail calls so far today, and I like to first present Smoking Zig. Smoking Zig, alright. Second one we got was Beard, Beer, and Barbecue from Germany. We also received Raw Dogs Barbecue. So if you guys haven't followed these guys yet, please do so at Smoking Zig, Beard, Beer, and Barbecue, and at Raw Dogs Barbecue. Check them out, guys. Some great content again. Like I said, great barbecue community. Everyone's kind of sharing ideas, talking about other stuff, and you know, producing some great content. So let's go ahead and put these up on the board. Alright, the first one we're going to do here, we're going to place raw dogs. I think they should go right here. Alright. Second one's going to be Beard, Beer, and Barbecue. Go ahead and place them right here. And last but not least is Smoking Zig. Go ahead and put them right here. Alright guys, just another look here. The board is looking good. It's filling up slowly. If anyone's got stickers, please feel free to send them over, and I'll go ahead and send mine over as well. And again, I'll put the handle names on this video on the bottom and on the Instagram video as well, so you guys can add them. Alright, so it looks like we are done and we are up to the 1 hour mark. Now we're going to sear them on 2 minutes each side at 400 degrees. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so the grill reached 400 degrees. Let's go ahead and throw these back on and sear them. Okay, let's go ahead and take the onions off. Alright guys, so we just finished an hour of smoke and about 4 minutes of searing. These burgers turned out really good. They're really thick. The jalapeños pop out of them. As I mix the ground beef together and smash them together, let's put this together and enjoy. Take a tomato here. Some grilled onions that we made. And then some lettuce. A little bit of ketchup. And then some mustard, of course. That's a burger right there. Look at that. Perfectly done. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like it or have any questions, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll respond to your comments. Don't forget to don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys want to send this video out to a loved one, family, friend, whatever, show them how to make a good burger, please do so. Thank you so much.